Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our Skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful.
First, we will understand our question. The program has to accept the string yes as the input. Then we must modify the string yes based on some conditions. Then the conditions are, if we have a character that is A or A, that is capital A or small a, then we have to insert that one capital A or small a next to it. So in the same way, for other vowels we have certain conditions, that is, if we have capital E or small e, then we have to insert two capital E or small e next to it. Then we have I and capital I, where we have to repeat it for 3 times. So it will be repeated for 3 times. And then if we have O, means if we have capital O or small o, then we have to insert 4 O's, whether it is capital O or small o, next to it. Then after that, U, that is capital U or small u, and it will be inserted for 5 times next to it. And finally, we have to print the program must print the modified string. Now let us take our first test case. So here we have argument as our string yes. So in the first letter we have A. So if we have A, means we have to insert one A next to it. So it becomes A. And then we have R, which is a consonant. So we'll have it as it is. Then we have G. And then we have U. So if capital U or small u occurs, then we have to insert 5 times U next to it. So we have U for 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after that we have EM, which is a consonant. So we'll have it as it is. Then we have E. So if E occurs, then we have to insert 2 E's next to it. So we'll repeat it for 2 times. And then after repeating it for 2 times, we have En, so which is a consonant. Then we have T, which is also a consonant. So this will be our output. Now we'll take our another test case. So in this test case, we have Skillrack hash 1, 2, 3. So yes is a consonant, we'll have it as it is. And then when I occurs, which is a vowel, then we have to repeat it for 3 times next to it. So it becomes I. And then we have L, which are consonants. Then we have R, which is also consonant. Then we have A, it should be repeated for 1 time next to it, as we have known the condition. Then we have C and K, and after that we have hash 1, 2, 3, and this will be our output.
Get clarifications for any program and clear your program errors effortlessly by using our Instagram page. Programming made simple here. We have mentioned our Insta ID in this video description.
Now let us implement our program. first we'll get the string yes as the input, and then we'll have vowels, that is a, e, I, o, u, and small a, e, I, o, u. And then for character in yes, we have to print that character and use end argument. And then for that same character, if it is in vowel means, then we have to apply our conditions. So for that, if the character is in vowel means, then we have to apply that condition, that is count equal to the vowels dot index of ch mod 5 plus 1. So now let us see how this works. So if we have, for example, if we have the character I means, the index of I is 7 here. So 7 mod 5 is 2, and if we have I means, then we have to repeat it for 3 times, right? So then we have plus 1. So 2 plus 1 becomes 3. So when we print the count, then I will be repeated for 3 times, and that's how it works. For another example, if we have E means, the index of E is 1 here, and 1 mod 5 is 1, and then 1 plus 1 becomes 2. So if E occurs, then we have to repeat that character for 2 times. So that's how it works. So, and finally we'll print the finally we'll print the character into count times and use end argument. So now let us execute our program. We'll pass our first test case. So yes, we have got the correct output, and then the characters are repeated with specified conditions. Now we'll pass our second test case. Here also we have got the correct output. As you can see, I is repeated for 3 times, A is repeated for 2 times. Now we'll pass our third test case. Here also we have got the output with specified conditions.
Our program has passed all our given test cases successfully. Hope you guys understand. Thanks for watching. See you next video.